If you want to manage app permissions on a Nothing Phone 3, we have two ways to do so. First, we're going to open Settings, and the first method is to go to Apps. Then over here we can see all apps in order to find the full list of apps that we have on our phone. And then you can go to the app for which you want to manage permissions. And over here we have permissions where we can find various different permissions, and we can decide if we want to allow or not allow, grant or restrict the access to that permission. And this is one of the ways. The other way to manage permissions is by going to security and privacy. Over here we can scroll down and go to privacy controls, and you should be able to find permission manager. So this is kind of like the other way around. First you choose the permission that you want to manage, and then you choose apps. So for example, if we go to contacts, then over here we can find the list of apps that are allowed to use contacts and those that are not allowed. So you can choose any of these apps and you can decide if the permission should be granted or not. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.